What's going on, everyone? Today we're doing something a little different than usual. So basically this company here, CoolGadget.com, they sent me an email saying they like my videos, they like my channel, and they wanted to send me a mystery box. And looking at their website, they sell anything from room decorations to electronics to just random knickknacks. So I have no idea what they sent me, but they wanted me to film it and show what's in the box live on camera. So that's what we're gonna do now. This company, like it says here, we select things we love, test to ensure high quality. So basically, they're just a website that finds different products they like. They have their own lab. They test everything to make sure it's up to their standards. And if it is, it goes on their website and then you can buy it there. All right, so I have this box here. Then I have another bigger box at the side. They told me to open that one last. I'm guessing the item was too big and couldn't fit in this box. So let's go ahead and open this and then we'll get to that one. All right, so that's where all the stuff can be bought from. If you want to get any of this, CoolGadget.com. Actually, let me go ahead and move this box off the counter here so I have room to look at what's in here on the table. All right, so the first thing we got in the box is a small box. Oops. CoolGadget.com just has their logo on the front. Looking in the back, this is a 67 watt GAN mini dual port fast charger. Okay, so this is a phone charger, laptop charger, 67 watts. So basically, you could charge your laptop with this. One second, hold on. All right, finally got it unwrapped. Okay, so it does have two ports, and this is very tiny. For a 67 watt charger, this is very small. This is like the equivalent of what an Apple 15 watt charger would be. In case you aren't familiar with what GAN chargers are, these are basically a new technology that lets the charger be a lot smaller and a lot lighter. Alright, so typically whenever I'm away from home, I'll take my MacBook charger and then my phone charger. And then I have my two cables, so I'll need to carry these two larger bricks with me. But now I can ditch these two, just install this little guy, put my phone charger in there, my computer charger over there, and just like that, I can now charge my computer and my phone from one little tiny box. So it's very cool that this little guy replaces this giant thing and this over here. So a very large difference from having to carry these two bricks and this inside of a bag or a book bag. Very cool technology and very convenient to have. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Very cool. Next item we have is the Cololight triangle kit. If you guys are on Instagram or see any of those like room videos or people show off their gaming setups, they almost always have something like this on their wall. It's a nice LED panels that make a cool pattern. You can organize them however you want. You can put them in two pieces like that, make a whole circle, make lines, whatever you feel like. So it's very modular and you can pretty much make the shape and design you want. Looks like it's only 6 pieces, but yeah, you can go ahead and make anything like that. So to do something like this, you probably need 2 or 3 kits or a much larger kit, but 6 pieces would be a good place to start at. So definitely looking forward to getting this tossed up on my wall in my office room, since it is a bit playing in there. And get off this tape. Okay, so these are a lot larger than I thought they would be. Judging by the box up here, for some reason I thought they were going to be like a small little triangle like that, but this is a lot bigger than I thought. So 6 of these is gonna fill maybe half the wall height in my little computer room because it's pretty small in there. All right, so I think I need to get this wired up. It has all the connectors back here, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to display these right now, but pretty much you could line them up like this or put them over here and just stack them however you want and make whatever cool design you can think of. So very cool. Definitely looking forward to getting that installed. Alright, so I still haven't posted the original video, haven't had a chance to edit it yet, but I just went ahead and installed these in my son's room, so I figured I'll take a quick video so I can add this to the clip as well. Very, very nice lights, a lot brighter than I thought they would be, and I love how thin they are. So when you're a few feet away, it almost looks like it's integrated inside the wall, and it just gives the room a very futuristic look. This is one of the modes it's on. In the app, they have a whole bunch of different modes you can choose from. You can even customize and make your own. Then right here they have a controller, so you can choose a few here as well. This is music mode, Then over here, they have a few different modes where it scrolls through different colors. And then there's another button if you just want to set a single color as well. You can just click that and it'll let you cycle through the different color options. This is the pattern he chose, but you can arrange these in any pattern you like. Each triangle has a connection point at every corner, and then it also has connection points on the sides as well. So you can see here, he connected these two to the side, and these two are connected flat. You kind of made like a little triangle robot, little figure looking thing. So the more pieces you have, the more you can come up with some elaborate, crazy design. Or you can just keep it simple, make like a line on the wall or L or whatever flows with your space and room the best to you. All right, so let me go ahead and open up this big box and we'll see what's in there. All right, I have to zoom my camera out a little bit because this is giant box. So this is a Divoom backpack. Okay, I just did a review on one of their items not too long ago, which was the Divoom Timebox, big Timebox Evo. And basically this company makes a whole bunch of different products that feature a screen with customizable LED patterns. Coincidentally, when I got the Divoom Timebox Evo, I did that one. My son saw it, he loved it immediately, and he wanted one for himself for his room. And we started looking at their website, and I actually saw the backpacks they had on there, and I told him about them. And he's been bothering me for one for a while now. So this is very awesome they send me this. Perfect timing, because now I can give this to my son, and he's going to be extremely stoked about this. I think they make 2 or 3 different backpacks, so I'm not sure which one this is. Hopefully it's not like a girl pattern or anything like that, or that's going to ruin it. So let me go ahead and open this up and check it out. All right, very cool.